Hey there, parents and caregivers. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into an incredible insights book, Hold Unto Your Kids by Gordon Neufeld and Gabor Maté. This book explores the essential relationship between parents and children and how to build strong, lasting connections that protect them from the many challenges of growing up in today's world. If you are concerned about your child's well-being in this fast-paced, often disconnected society, this video is for you. Let's explore the key lessons and practical advice from this powerful book. Ready? Let's get started. First and foremost, author emphasizes that attachment is the foundation of a child's emotional and psychological development. When children feel securely attached to their parents, they have the confidence to explore the world, knowing they have a safe place to return to. This bond is vital for healthy development, emotionally, socially, and cognitively. But in today's world, many children are increasingly forming attachment outside of the family, often to peers or media, which can leave them feeling isolated and disconnected. The solution? Strengthening your relationship with your child and ensuring they feel seen, heard, and loved. One of the key concepts in the book is the difference between peer orientation and parent orientation. Author explain that when children start relying more on their peers than their parents, it can lead to emotional turmoil and behavioral issues. Children need their parents to be their main source of guidance and security. The authors stress that peer relationships should complement, not replace, family connections. By staying involved in your child's life, providing guidance, and setting clear boundaries, you ensure that your child does not get lost in the pressure of peer influence. Author also talks about the importance of maintaining authority as a parent, not in a controlling way, but as a source of wisdom and guidance. Children naturally look to their parents for direction, and when parents step back or become passive, children feel uncertain and may turn to others for guidance. Parents who can maintain authority create a sense of security, helping children navigate the challenge they face. The key is balance, being authoritative without being authoritarian. This helps children feel safe and nurtured while also learning respect and discipline. While it is natural to want to protect our children from harm, author warns that overprotection can prevent children from developing the emotional resilience they need to face life's challenges. Children need to experience some discomfort and adversity in order to grow. When parents shield them from every difficult situation, they miss out on valuable opportunity to develop coping skills. Instead of hovering, it's important to provide guidance and support while allowing your child the space to make mistakes and learn from them. Author also highlight the pressures of modern society, where technology, social media, and external influences are competing for our children's attention. These forces can disrupt the parent-child relationship, making it more difficult for parents to connect with their kids. The solution? Reclaiming quality time with your children and ensuring they have a balanced relationship with technology and outside influences. By prioritizing emotional connection over distractions, you are providing a solid foundation for your child's development. Finally, author stressed the importance of emotional presence. It's not just about being physically there for your child, it is about being emotionally available and responsive to their needs. Children are incredibly intuitive. and sensitive to their parents' emotional state. If a parent is distracted, stressed, or emotionally unavailable, children may struggle to feel secure. By practicing emotional presence, you help your child feel validated, loved, and understood. So, what are the key takeaways from Hold On to Your Kids? First, build a strong, secure attachment with your child. Second, maintain a parent-oriented relationship, not peer-oriented. Third, be an authoritative figure providing guidance without controlling. Fourth, don't overprotect. Let your child experience life's challenges. The next, reclaim quality time and limit outside distractions. And last, be emotionally present for your child, showing them love and understanding. By following these principles, you can foster a deeper, more resilient connection with your child, helping them navigate the world with confidence and security. So, are you ready to strengthen your bond with your child and create a lasting relationship based on the trust and understanding? Then hit that like button, subscribe, and share this video with any parents or caregivers or aspiring parents who could benefit from these insights. And let me know in the comments what has been your biggest challenge in connecting with your child. Let's discuss and support each other on this parenting journey. Until next time, keep holding to your kids and guiding them with love and care. And don't forget to read this book.